Welcome to this YouTube channel about cryptocurrency education. Today we present you three main myths about Bitcoin. Myth number 1. Bitcoin can be hacked with quantum computing technology. One reason not to invest into Bitcoin that is often brought forward by people is the potential risk that quantum computing technology presents to Bitcoin. The point people make here is that quantum computers are much more powerful than current technologies, and that as a result the Bitcoin network could become unsafe, and that there is a potential that quantum computers could figure out a way through the encryption of the network. However, the truth is that the potential time saved by quantum computer technology is not a significantly higher risk to Bitcoin. Should it be possible one day to hack the encryptions in the Bitcoin network, then there will also be new algorithms that quantum computers won't be able to find a way through. Don't forget that some of the world's best and most brilliant programmers are working continuously to improve Bitcoin. Myth number 2. Bitcoin is used to fund criminal activities. One of the most widespread and popular points often brought forward against Bitcoin is that Bitcoins are used to fund criminal activities, such as fraud and money laundering. This possibly stems from a time when Bitcoin was used oftentimes in the darknet on platforms such as Silk Road in its beginnings. However, this has changed, and this does not change the fact that Bitcoin is actually quite unpopular for people carrying out criminal activities. Why is that the case? Well, Bitcoin transactions are not anonymous. The transactions can be traced, and services such as Chainalysis work together with institutions such as the police or the FBI or the US tax agency IRS. In the last criminal crypto report of Chainalysis, it was documented that only approximately 0.3% of all transactions could be linked to illegal activities. It should be noted that the most popular way to fund illegal activities are cash notes of traditional fiat currencies, such as the US dollar. Myth number 3. Bitcoin is too volatile. Yes, indeed, Bitcoin is indeed very, very volatile, and this has led many day traders to lose money. However, this is the point. Day trader trade minimal movements in the intraday range, similar to swing traders that look at higher level or slightly longer time frames. When you do this, you are automatically exposed to higher risk due to higher volatility. However, when looking at the historical development of the Bitcoin value, you will see that it has continuously increased in value. Only very, very few people who purchased Bitcoin in the past and held it until today have lost money. With increasing market capitalization and also increasing trade volume, volatility will reduce over time. This will happen as soon as more and more institutional investors and maybe even countries enter the Bitcoin market. These were 3 common myths about Bitcoin and our point of view. We hope that you liked the video, and if you did, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.